In this video, we are going to discuss about Mannich reaction. It is the condensation of an aldehyde or ketone with primary or secondary amine and formaldehyde in the presence of an acid to form aminoalkylated derivatives. In the reaction, we are using one ketone. So this is hexanone, and the second compound is the formaldehyde. And plus secondary amine. This is the secondary amine. Okay. And in the presence of HCl, that is an acid, this will give the beta amino carbonyl compound. ठीक है. So this is the alpha position and this is the beta position, and amine group is attached with this beta position, so the beta amino, and this is the carbonyl compound, so beta amino carbonyl compound. And in the mechanism, the first step is formation of imine salt. So first we are using the formaldehyde. This formaldehyde react with the secondary amine. So this is the secondary amine. So the lone pair of this nitrogen basically attack on this partial positive carbon, and due to this the pi bond shift to the oxygen and form a negative charge on it. So CH2 O negative, N R R and H, and this lone pair of electron attack on this carbon, so here is a positive charge created on the nitrogen. And then the acid that will give the proton, and this proton basically abstract by this oxygen and attached to it. So the OH CH2 N R R, and this is H, positive charge. Okay, now what will happen? This H and this OH released as a H2O, and this bond shift to the next and form a imine salt. So CH2 double bond N R and R. Okay, this is imine salt, a very highly reactive intermediate with H2O, and this is the intermediate highly reactive. Okay, now the second step is addition of imine to enol of carbon compound. So now we are using our ketone. This is the hexanone, the ketone, having a two lone pair of electrons. So first the HCl or acid basically gives the proton, and this is the proton which is abstract by this oxygen, lone pair of oxygens. So this proton is attached with this oxygen, and here is the acidic hydrogen present with respect to this carbonyl compound, this carbon compound. Understand? Now this bond shift inside the ring, and this pi bond shift to the oxygen and created sorry, and vanish this positive charge. This is also a deprotonation reaction. So this is formed, and this is known as enol because there is a double bond which represent this ene and all represent this hydroxide group or hydroxyl group. Now OH, here is a two lone pair of electrons, and this enol will react with the imine salt. Okay, so this bond attack on this carbon, and these lone pairs shift to the um, next, and this bond attack on this carbon, and this bond is attack or shift to this nitrogen. So here is double bond of OH, CH2N, and R. Understand? There is a positive charge on this oxygen. Again, deprotonation. So this proton is removed. This bond shift to the oxygen and form beta amino carbonyl compound. So this is the final product is named as beta amino carbonyl compound because this amine group is present on the beta carbon. This is the alpha carbon with respect to this carbon compound. This is the beta position. So this reaction is completed. If you want such more type of videos, please like the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.